Hello friends, today in this tutorial I will be telling you that how to take a photograph inside your browser using the JavaScript library, which is Easy Webcam. So this is a short little demo application that we will be building in this tutorial. So you can see that there is a checkbox here. It is saying to us that click to start the camera. So if I click it, it will turn on, and now my webcam will be on here. You can see my photograph on the screen. This is my web camera, and I can switch the camera as well. So you can see that it can switch the camera as well. These are the two positions, and this is a button in order to take the picture here, take photo. If I click it, if sound will be also be there of tuck. You can see that if I click it, now a snapshot sound is there. When you click a photograph, if sound is also generated. So now there are three options. Either we can exit the app like this, we can again start the camera. You can see that if I take the photograph, and there is a second option which is resume the camera. So if I resume it, it will now again resume the app here. If I again like this, and there is a download image option here. I can save this image onto my computer by clicking this download button. Now the selfie is saved here, selfie.png. If I open this, you will see that it will open this image on my computer like this. So this is a great library which simplifies the task of taking a photograph and building this application from scratch in browser. Easy Webcam is the name of the library. So basically, if you search on Google Easy Webcam, this is the name, and you will be redirected here. Easy Webcam, just search again npm node package manager. You can see that webcam easy. This is a simple library, and this is the latest library. It was created on 26 May 2020. You can see that the command is pretty simple. If you want to install it as a node dependency, npm i webcam easy. I am using it as a on my browser. So this is a CDN you can use here. Just copy the CDN and paste it inside your browser. So if you just go to its Github repository, it is pretty simple. Go to its repository, open this link in a new tab. You can see that this is a GitHub repository, and in the link in the description of the video I have given this link. You can just go to this link and you can download this whole repository, download as a zip file onto your computer. So it will download the zip file onto your computer, and you can see that demo is shown below like this. Installation is pretty simple. I have shown you. You can either download it from npm or you can include it a CDN. So just copy the CDN and paste it inside your index.html file, and then you can use its features. So basically, you just need to create these three elements. First is the video element, next is the canvas where the image will be shown, and this is the audio, basically audio sound. Whatever audio sound that you want to use, you can use it here by providing it inside the source parameter. And then you can call the constructor by passing these three elements: canvas, snap sound, and webcam element. And there is a start method in order to start the webcam. This returns a promise, and in order to take the photograph, there is a snap method. You just need to call this method, and in order to stop the web camera, there is a stop method. So very easy enough. So the summary of all the methods is shown below: stop, stream, snap, flip. You can even change the facing mode and selected camera. So what I have done here is that I have created a folder. I have copy pasted all the files, and you can see that this is the code here. If you just download the zip file, all the code will be pre-written for you. You need not have to make any kind of change. And this is the application you can see on your screen. Now you can make slight modifications if you want to change the background picture. Let's suppose I can change the background picture. Let's suppose I want to have a laptop background. So if I select the image, I can just download this image, and inside my, what is the folder, let me just see, it is webcam easy. So it is there inside my desktop, webcam easy. This is a folder, and inside this demo folder there is a images folder. So here we just need to write here background 2, and I can save this image, and inside the code we can change the background image. It is pretty simple. You need to go to is saved here. This is a background, you can see that. The extension is, let me download some other image. Let me download this image. Why the extension is JFFIF, I don't know. Let me take this image. Hopefully this extension may be JPG. Yes, you can see that. Now I can just rename this. Let's suppose background 3, and inside the code there is a CSS file that you want to make edit here. So there is a style here, style folder, and inside this there is a webcam demo CSS, and here you can change the background image. Let's suppose I need to change to background 3. That's it. If you make this change and go back to your application, what is the problem? Background 3 image not found. Let me just see. Oh, sorry, there was spelling mistake. Background 3. And now if you reload the application, what is the problem here? Background 3, 2 slashes. Now you can see that the background image is changed. So accordingly you can change your background image, whatever background image that you want. So this is a default styling. You can start your camera, take a snapshot, a selfie like this. A nice sound is also there. You can even edit this sound as well. So this is present inside this audio folder. So this is the snap here. You can see that. You can just change your audio, whatever audio that you want. So this is a pre-built software which is made here. You need not have to make any kind of change. So this is a complete app which is made in order to take photos inside your browser. The library name is Webcam Easy. So thanks so much for watching this video. If you like this video, then please hit the like button, subscribe the channel, and I will be seeing you in the next video.